If you're seeing an access denied message in Lucidchart, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because you're signed into the wrong account, the document permissions need to be updated, or the shared link is no longer valid. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check your access and get back into your Lucidchart file. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open the document link again and take a careful look at the account you're signed into. A lot of Lucidchart access issues happen simply because the wrong Google account or Microsoft account is active in your browser. If you use multiple accounts, sign out and then sign back in with the one that should have access to the file. After that, try opening the link again. If the document loads properly, then the issue was just the wrong account. If you still see access denied, move on to the next step. Next, check the document permissions. If someone shared the Lucidchart document with you, the owner may need to update the sharing settings. Contact the owner and ask them to open the document on their end. Then they should click share in the top right corner and verify that your email address is listed as someone who has access. In some cases, they may need to set the sharing link to anyone with the link, but only if that fits the way they want the file shared. If needed, ask them to resend the invitation as well, because an expired or missing invite can block access. Now let's try opening the file from inside your Lucidchart dashboard. Instead of relying only on the shared link, go to your Lucidchart dashboard and click Shared with Me from the left sidebar. Look for the document there and open it directly. This can sometimes work even when the direct link gives you an error, especially if the file has already been shared with your account but the browser link is acting up. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to try is a different browser or an incognito window. Open a private or incognito window, sign into Lucidchart again, and then try the document one more time. This helps rule out browser cache, saved sessions, or extension issues. If the problem continues, test another browser such as Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Sometimes the access problem is not with Lucidchart itself, but with the browser session you're using. If the owner removed your permission or changed the sharing settings, you may need to request access again. Open the shared document link and look for a request access button if it appears. Click it and send a request to the owner. In many cases, this is the final step that gets your access restored once the owner approves it. So to recap, the main fixes are: make sure you're signed into the correct account, confirm the document permissions, try opening it from the dashboard, test another browser or incognito mode, and request access again if needed. These steps solve most Lucidchart access denied issues quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful software guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Lucidchart troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.